Everybody, it's David here from David UK Tours, as you can see up there. If you want to see my videos and content, I'd love you to come and visit me. So this is my weekly update for anybody who is interested in visiting London or maybe visiting London at the moment. So today is Saturday the 7th of February, and don't forget to stay to the end of this short video if you want to have the money saving tip. So what's on in London this week then? Let's have a look. So it's the Super Bowl in the United States tomorrow. I understand that's between the Seattle Seahawks and the New England Patriots. Because of the time difference, it means that they're going to be kicking off tomorrow, that's Sunday, at about 11:30 p.m. But there is a lot of interest in the United Kingdom now with American football, and there are quite a lot of venues around London where if you want to get together with other people and have a few drinks and maybe even something to eat, you can go along there and enjoy the atmosphere of the Super Bowl. And I'll put the link to some of those venues down below here. So it's a Hackney Restaurant Festival, and that's going on for all of February across many of the restaurants in Hackney. Hackney is a borough just to the east of London, but it's easy to get to from central London. And all through February, lots of restaurants will be having lots of lovely food for their restaurant festival. And again, I'll put the link to that down below for you so you can see where you might want to go and have something wonderful to eat. So while we're in East London, although we're in London, you might want to go and see the Seven Wonders of the Ancient World. There's an immersive exhibition covering thousands of years of human history there, and it's a wonderful event to go to. And again, I'll put the link to that down below, and it's indoors as well. So it is February in London, so it's not very warm at the moment, and we're getting a lot of rain at the moment as well. So if you need to be doing some indoor things, that's a really great indoor thing to be doing, and the kids will love that one too. If talking of weather and it being a bit cold, if you want to warm up, if you go to Kew Gardens, which is just to the south of London, and it's been there for probably about 200 years now, and it's very famous for all the botanical exhibits that they got there, and it's got a large number of large hot houses, and one of the largest hot houses, they have an annual orchid festival, and that orchid festival is on at the moment. It's just started, it's going on for a week or two, and it's lovely and warm in there. In fact, some people say it's too hot inside the hot house. So this year's theme is a Chinese theme, which is interesting because we've got Chinese New Year coming up on the 17th of February. It's a Chinese theme with lots of dragons and other Chinese symbols down there. It's a lovely thing to go to, especially in February if you want to keep nice and warm. So get down to Kew Gardens. Again, I'll put the link down below for that. Okay, so I'm just going to end with a money saving tip, and this is very much around if you want something to eat. So it can be very expensive to eat in London, but one of the good things about London is because we have people coming from all over the world to live in the United Kingdom and visit the United Kingdom. We get lots of different food and restaurants opening, and probably one of the things that we're most famous and really good at is Indian curries. So I've linked a video. We went and had a curry in Brick Lane. Brick Lane is in East London, and it's very famous for all the curry restaurants that are up and down Brick Lane. I went down there and had a curry last week, and if you want to go and see that, the link is on this video. But it's very good value. But there are Indian restaurants all over London, and quite often they will do, especially if it's midweek, they'll do a sort of a set menu where you can have a starter, a main, and a dessert, and sometimes a drink for quite a reasonable price. So it's actually quite good value, but it's lovely food, and I love all the spices and things like that. So you can see that on the video. And in fact, that meal, if you look on the video, we paid £40 for two of us, and that included our drinks. Okay, so I think that's a bit of our roundup for this week. I hope you enjoyed all that useful information. If you are in London having a wonderful visit, that would be brilliant. If you want more information, then please like and subscribe, and take care now. Bye bye.